We're here with a 2007 Camry. Yeah. And if your shocks don't work from your Camry, you can get one of these. It's a little hood support, hood lift support. This is in here. Oh, twist it on like that. Now it holds it up. You don't have to worry about that thing coming slamming on top of you. So we're gonna do an oil change on this. We'll show you guys how fun this is to do the oil change. So I appreciate when you guys come and give me that enjoyment to do your oil change. It's gonna be a 14. So obviously this ramped the car up. I got these Rhino plastics car ramps. They're okay. The metal ones is probably what you want to get. Make sure this shit don't come down on me. These are nice to do like quick oil changes. They're not the most trusted. I would suggest put a jack stand somewhere and a handbrake, or try to block off the wheels so they won't roll back or anything like that. Obviously you always have a flat surface. Using these or the jack, you don't want to do anything on the incline or anything like that, because the shit will roll off. And then we got the oil filter up here. And for the oil filter, we're going to be using these oil filter pliers. They do have an angle on them, which is going to help us because it is looking straight down. So just like that. And you puncture the oil filter because you can't take it off. There it is. Just like that. Wipe down any residue. Always check the seal. If it gets stuck up there, you will double lap it with the new filter and it's gonna leak for sure. So you don't want that. So make sure this ring comes out with the filter. This one we're gonna put a new washer on it. Make sure it's nice and good. This is Teflon. Make sure the old ring comes out too. So this is our new washer right there, and then these are the filter. All right. We're gonna hand tight this one. So it could be fucking hard as fuck again. As you can see, this car really needed the oil.
Shout out to all the subscribers.
Shout out to all the subscribers. Alright, so you get the 520, the one that shows for the cap. You get your Toyota funnel, so as anybody who's worked on these, you know how pain in the ass it is to pour oil in here. And with this special funnel that screws on, you can just pour it and forget about it. So satisfying. Just like that. Simple as that. Best thing I bought so far. Alright. So now we did that. We're just gonna wait a couple minutes, recheck the oil level, make sure it's good, reset the maintenance light inside. This one doesn't have it yet, but it's better to reset it before it comes on, because then the customer thinks they need an oil change again. Alright, we're back. It's been about 5 minutes. We're gonna wipe this one off, stick it back in there, and so clean you could barely see it, but I don't know if I could see where it's at right there, but you can tell. And if you can't really see it, you can go like this, and then you'll see that it starts smudging up in your fingers here, indicating that there is oil right there. So that's how we do it. So now let's go reset that light. So what you want to do here is turn on the switch, go to trip A. You see how it's there over there, but this is the button you push to go switch between trips, odometer. So you want to push it on A, hold it, turn off the switch, count to 10. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Turn on the switch again. It'll start blinking right there with those lines indicating it's resetting, double, triple zeros or whatever, and then that'll be it. And your trip A will reset. So, but then that's how you reset your maintenance light. Turn it on. Maintenance light is off. That's where it was. So, and you're all set. Other things you want to do before you want to call it a day on the oil change, leave the car on for a couple minutes, 3-5 minutes. Check underneath, see if you don't have any oil leaks or anything like that. Slow, coming from the filter, from the washer of the boat, just to double check. And like that, you don't drive around with a small leak and eventually damage the engine. So that's what you want to do. And if that's all good, then you're all set. Thank you guys for watching. Let us know if you want to see something else, a different kind of oil change or anything like that. And yeah, man, thanks for watching.